Hey, Sly Bug. So I went getting some coconuts. I ended up breaking up my knife while digging out the coconuts and stuff. So I tied my shit, you know. But I got it going anyways. I did what I was supposed to. Healthy coconuts, very thick. Yeah. I washed that out in the river and did my oils. After collecting the coconuts from by the bay, I had some coconuts by home, and I just bust that open and dig them out to cut them up, and I went on doing my oil. Yep, my bottled up oil, coconut oil. Yeah, I could purchase my stuff on Jolly's DM shop online, or place your orders with me. You could use that in your salad or anything, on your ears, on your skin. No preservative added.